Summer is here and so are the breakouts, tanning and dark spots. In today's video, I'm sharing my favorite summer face packs that are cooling, gentle on the skin and are super effective on dark spots and acne. These face packs are made with natural ingredients that you already have at home. So if you are ready for clear glowing skin all summer long, then let's get started.
For the ingredients you will need an aloe vera leaf, turmeric and some honey. I have already washed and cut the fronds of the aloe vera leaf. Now extract the gel using a knife. This is the aloe vera gel. Using an heavy object, slightly press to release the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Add a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well. It will have a jelly-like consistency. Apply this paste onto your face. Let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with normal water. The dark spots that are left by pimples or as an aging sign will be visibly reduced from the first usage itself. Aloe vera treats dark spots, acne scars and repairs damaged skin. Honey soothes the skin from irritation. Turmeric brightens the skin from dullness and aids in natural glow.
You will need 2 ingredients for this. Haritaki or inknet powder. Haritaki is available in powdered form. I will leave the link in the description box. The next is some homemade curd. All you need to do is take a clean bowl. Now comes the hero ingredient, that is haritaki or inknet powder. Add 1 teaspoon of it. Haritaki is called king of herbs because it has immense benefits for skin. Add 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix it well. Haritaki is effective in reducing pigmentation on face. It also reduces acne marks, brown spots, pimple marks and dark circles. Curd acts as a natural exfoliator which removes dead skin cells that was giving your skin a dull look. Apply this onto your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with plain water. Overall, the face pack reduces pigmentation and removes dullness. Use this face pack every day to see pigmentation patches reducing from day 1. First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face and leave it for 20 minutes.
You will need curd, wheat flour. Add 2 teaspoons of curd. Add 2 teaspoons of wheat flour. Wheat flour reduces acne and its spots, so it is highly suitable for oily skin people. It takes care of the pimple marks while removing the excess oiliness. Wash off after 10 minutes. Skin immediately becomes soft and smooth because of the lactic acid present in curd. Wheat flour removes excess oiliness and it starts to fight with acne.
For ingredients, you will need some coffee powder, a lemon and some rose water. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Coffee removes the dead skin cells and fades dark spots. It fights acne, reduces sunspots and redness. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice reduces hyperpigmentation. It removes the pigmented cells and clears your skin. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water is a natural toner. It unclogs pores, removes dirt and refreshes the skin. Mix the ingredients well. Apply this onto your face and massage for 1 minute. This will act as an exfoliant to remove blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin cells. Massaging increases the blood flow on the face and gives you a natural glowing skin. After massaging, leave the mask to rest for 5 minutes. Wash your face with plain water. My skin has brightened up and the face mask has removed my dullness. There's no blackheads and whiteheads and my skin feels.
These face packs are simple, soothing, cooling and perfect for all summer long. Let me know in the comments which one you are excited to try. Or if you have your own favorite summer face pack, then do let me know. I would love to try it. Until the next time, take care.